We are all gathered here today to send away one of the best of us. A car that used to do 11 seconds on the quarter mile. May he rest in peace, and may his scrap metal be made to make even greater cars. Okay guys, so we got this car up on Saturday, and today is Tuesday, and so we're taking it to the junkyard today. So hopefully there shouldn't be any problems with getting him there, getting the title and all that stuff switched over. I don't think there should be, but who knows. Todd thinks that there might be an issue with just how something was signed, but I don't know. That stuff makes no sense to me. So anyways, but yep, got this up on Tuesday. Man, that was easy. You guys probably love that video, right? And so get this guy out and stop piecing out the pots and stuff, so that'd be cool. So let's take him to the junkyard. Alright guys, so as you can see, the car is gone.
Well, I got this cool picture too. The guy had already smashed it.
Oh yeah?
It was a little bit bigger than that toolbox.
A little bit bigger than the toolbox?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, we did get a lot of stuff out of it, so that kind of helps.
Yeah, exactly.
So
I think it ended up weighing, I forget how much, 1,000 pounds, something like that.
1,000 pounds?
Lot.
Yeah.
990. I forget what you said. Let's go look at the
yeah. Before we leave.
Anyway, how much do you think you made?
I definitely wouldn't put it over 300. That's for sure.
We made $39.64.
Alright. Wow.
Yeah, you weren't expecting that little, were you?
Nope, I wasn't expecting that little at all.
And here, everybody, here's one of my dream cars. What's left of it?
Yeah.
Here's
Oh, nice.
This is my dream car.
Yep. Not much of it left at all.
It had a hard life. Look at that. No wonder they totaled it.
Yeah, that's pretty bad. Nope.
6 inches gone.
Oh yeah.
But look at the, that was a pretty bad impact. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
There is not much left.
No.
It's in rough shape. Wrecked opinion. My dream car.
Yay!
That's my Eldorado. I really think maybe that door might be the only thing that's worth anything now.
Yeah, really.
That is kind of sad.
Yeah. Maybe the trunk lid, but that'll be about it.
Yeah. That trunk was not too bad.
Mm-hmm. So, cool.
So, you want to walk around in here or you good?
I think we're good.
Okay. Yeah, look at the truck bed on top of the Escort.
Yeah.
That's a good truck bed.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
Alright, so here at Mims East Coast Auto Salvage, I think we can say that, yeah.
Probably.
Anyway, so really easy. We had the portion of the title that we needed, filled it all out, signatures, all that. And so, and then we took it over to that side and they crushed it and weighed it. Let me see if the guy had already crushed it. Let me get the picture of it. There's the car. We'll put this into the video, but that's all that was left.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Isn't that crazy?
That's
all that was left of it. But so anyways, yeah, so real easy experience to get rid of it, thankfully. I wasn't so sure. Didn't really make off, didn't make a whole lot of money off of it, but I think covered our gas anyways, and it's out of the way.
exactly.
No legal issues, so we're all good.
Yep.
And now we can go home.
Yeah. And we can start to pot the car out that we have still at home, so that'll be good. And so thus ends the tragic life of the Camaro Z28. So sad.